G'day there, I'm Dave from Dyno Bike, Melbourne, Australia. Below me is a Ducati Multistrada 2010 model. It has a Termi slip-on muffler on it. The catolaic converter is still in place and it still has the standard exhaust system on it. So we're going to dyno it now and see what it looks like, and then afterwards we've got a 3/4 system to put onto it. And when we've done that, we're going to tune it and see how much difference it actually makes to the whole package. The other interesting thing about this bike is that it already has had a Rexa flash put into the ECU. I'm assuming it's to suit this muffler, so we're going to have a look at the mixtures and see how good the Rexa tune is matched up to this bike and the muffler. Away we go. Alright, so this is the system that I've taken off this bike. As you can see, it's quite a big, heavy lump. A lot of weight we're going to save there because this is obviously all going now. Inside here is also a catolaic converter, so we've got rid of that. And that really is probably what's going to make this bike run nicer and give us a bit more power, because we haven't got that restriction in here. Termi muffler, look, there's nothing wrong with the muffler. It's just all this stuff that's in front of it is stopping this bike from breathing a bit better and making a bit more horsepower. So with our new system on there, even without any tuning, we'll see an improvement from removing this altogether from the system. Alright, so we're just finishing off putting our new muffler on at 3/4 system, so it actually goes all the way up to there on the rear cylinder, and about the same on the front. So we've got all the pipe wicks in place, and just put the muffler on there like so. Couple of springs, and the reason for the springs is, it's not all solid and rounded up, so that it deliberately can move around a little bit, and that's so it soaks up all the vibration and we don't have fatigue cracks in the stainless steel pipe later on. It's pretty easy to fit this one. You're handy with the tool, something you could do at home. Alright, just mounting our O2 sensor on the front cylinder. Get it right up close to the cylinder head. Closer it is to the cylinder head, more accurate it is. Very important. This is critical. I know I always keep banging on about O2 sensors. This is what's going to give us all the information. So the information's not correct, what are we tuning to? It's a waste of time. That on there and connect it up. Do the rear one. This one in the rear. You've got to do both cylinders because they are quite different. The mixtures read quite differently between the two. So it's important to do both cylinders. Okay, that's about it. Multistrada 1200 is now done. Got some really nice gains out of that, as you can see from the graphs, especially in the torque, where it's just much better everywhere. The rider's going to be very happy with that. I'm really happy with it. That was a cool project. So if you want to buy this tune or you want to book in for it, go to dynobike.com.au. Click across the top there where it says tuning. You can scroll through that and see lots of other different tunes for all sorts of different bikes. Feel free to give us a call, book your bike in, or send us an ECU. And that's about it. Until next time, thanks for watching. I'm Dave from Dyno Bike.